What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mark back with another video. This is a different type of video. It ain't about an LS swap, it's about something different, y'all. I thought I'd just bring y'all something different one time besides the LS swap, normally what everybody else brings to their channel. You know what I'm saying? What we got here, hold on. I don't know what year this is. This is a Pontiac Grand Prix. Let me see if I can see what year it is. No. I can't see what year it is, but this was, hold on, let me reduce my, there we go. But this was my grandpa's wife's car, Mary. Let me give y'all a little backstory on the car. You see the hood all rusted up, but look at that, 2.8, what year is this? A 98, no, it's an 88. Yeah, y'all see that? Focus. But anyway, I guess I can, let me zoom in and see if I can see it, like, there we go. 88, y'all see that? 1988, okay. Anyway, y'all can see, hold on, 0.8. Multi-port injection. But anyway, this was my, Mary passed away in 98, 99, I think it was. Yeah, Mary passed away about 98, 99. And let me see, I went to the feds in 98. Yeah, so yeah, Mary passed away the same year I went to the joint. So anyway, Mary passed away. And so maybe my car, let's say, okay, I got the joint in 04, I got out the feds in 04, and the car been sitting here since then, if I'm not mistaken. Let's say 07, they went and did a PV, a 6-month PV in 07, and the car been sitting, you might say been sitting here since 07. Well, my grandpa had me, since I've been out the joint, yeah. Since I've been out, he had me come put a fuel pump on it because the fuel pump went out. Got the fuel pump in, started it up for about 30 seconds and cut it off. Now I'm about to show y'all something. Now, this is the gas. I done pulled the tank because I'm about to get it back running. That's my thing. I'm about to see if I can get it back running, which I know it'll run because it started up when I changed the fuel pump. But anyway, this is the gas that came out the tank, y'all. Look at that. This is the gas that came out the tank. Now that got to be, what's this, 2022? And I did a PV in 07, so that's 15 years at least, so that gas been in there. What's up? That's 15 plus, that's 15-year-old gas right there. But I'm about to clean this tank out. I'm about to get it a new full filter, blow the lines out, change the oil, spark plugs, see if she'll start up and run.
It looks like a pool of blood.
No, that's gas. That's what happens when you let gas sit. When you don't start your car for a while, that's what it looked like.
Where'd you pull that out of this one?
Yeah. But yeah, that's my project, y'all. See if we can't get the old Grand Prix back running. Cause I think it only got 32,000 original miles on it. Need a new headliner. Hold on, let me show y'all. I mean, the interior is pretty clean, all original. Need a new headliner for sure. Need a new headliner for sure.
All this thing running after you get done with it now.
Alright, it'll start up if I put a battery in and spray some starting fluid in it, it'll start up. Cause it ran when I changed the fuel pump, but I didn't let it run that long because I knew that old gas was in there. So what I'm about to do is I took that down, I'm about to clean it out. And then I gotta get me another air line, but I'm gonna take the thing off, the intake off, take the injectors out, clean them out, blow the fuel line out, put a new fuel filter on it, and that's it. Nah, shit, but yeah, that's my new project, man. That's what I'm about to do, y'all. That's what I'm about to do. But yeah, so it's your boy Mark, back with another one. I'll keep y'all update on the progress, man. Till next time, man, keep it pushing.